You are making some big study mistakes which are resulting in your grades to be like this. This video will help you convert your grade from this to this. Reading out loud is one of the biggest tools that you could use for studying. When not using it, you are missing out on big differences in your grades. Some of the biggest benefits of reading out loud are: when you read out loud, you use your eyes, ears and mouth, which helps you in your overall brain coordination and memorization. Another benefit is that when you read out loud, you do not miss on critical pieces of information that you instead would have missed if you did not read. And finally, when you read out loud, you can concentrate more and reduce your overall distraction. Although reading out loud is good, rereading the same topic multiple times is inefficient and does not help you to memorize the topic. The same thing goes for note-taking and highlighting. Instead, you should make mind maps and use active recall and spaced repetition. I have talked about active recall and spaced repetition and mind maps in this video right here. If you are using the Pomodoro timer, then 90% of the time you are studying for 25 minutes and taking a 5 minutes break. But this is the inefficient way to use the Pomodoro timer. This is inefficient because it breaks down your concentration. You should think of taking a break after only 1 hour of studying, and that break should also not be more than 5 minutes long. I personally study for 2 hours and then take a 10 minutes break. When you take a break after 25 minutes, 30 minutes or 45 minutes of studying, you are wasting so much time. You probably do not need that break also at that moment of time. Whereas when you have studied for 2 hours straight, you may not even need a break because you have gotten into the state of flow. And if you even take a 10 minutes break after that 2 straight hours of studying, you feel productive about yourself that you studied for 2 hours and you do not feel guilty about taking that break. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a video on what to do during your study break. If you are thinking of studying after watching this video, then you are about to do a big mistake. Because consuming data before sitting down to study will eat up your focus and will distract you throughout your study session. You should have a minimum gap of 30 minutes between consuming data and sitting down to study. It will be best if you do not consume any form of data 1 hour before you sit down to study. This will help you concentrate better during your study session and you won't get distracted. And if you want to learn more about how to focus while studying, then you can check out this video right here. The biggest study mistake that you are probably making is not writing. There are several benefits of writing, and I will link down some articles down below in the description which you can read to find out the benefits of writing. From now, whenever you are writing question answers or taking a practice test, you should always consider writing on paper, or if you have an iPad or a tablet, you can also write there. But it will be slightly more efficient if you write on paper. But don't make the mistake of typing. There is a big difference between typing and writing. And if you type your answers also in something like Notion or Microsoft Word, then also you should write your answers on paper once or twice, or it will be better if you can do it thrice. Hope that after watching this video you will not make these mistakes anymore. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.